What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Lil Clay. So guess what? It is 10:47 a.m. in the morning, and I'm about to get ready to go to my brother's baseball game and hang out with my nephews for a bit. I don't know who I was gonna be there. I know my Mima was gonna be the one taking me. Yeah, it's a beautiful day, so I'm actually glad to go ahead and get out. And I'll see you guys in a bit. If you guys are new here, my name is Lil Clay, and I have high functioning autism. Enjoy the video, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Oh, and you guys have probably seen this in a few clips, or I don't know, but I've been leaving this window open for my little beast because she really likes to sit at the window. Sometimes I only do it when I'm running the fans, but I figured, because I thought there was no window to cover the screen, but there is, so I can leave this one open. And now she has plenty of room to sit at the window, which she loves to do. What? Am I disturbing you? Where's that baby? Alright, so got the little guys here and the nephews. What happened, Jackson? Did she take your seat? You gonna go take your seat?
Just let that ball go right.
What's going on? Yeah, we're at Gabe's game and we're just chilling. I think Gabe is supposed to be pitching. I can't really see from here. These little guys. Jackson, what you got there? Jackson. What you doing?
It's so soft when you do that.
Tried to get a shot at Gabe, but it's too late now. He was the one pitching during the whole inning, but I had to watch. I had to keep an eye on my nephews too. Kind of got distracted, you know. I was watching some trailer and March of the Home videos. Hope we'll get a good view of him though once he gets towards the batting. Taking this guy to the playground. Oh, I might not be able to film because there's too many kids down there. I don't like filming children because I don't know who they're with. I'm really gonna use the slow one, but today he's actually farther than I am. Jackson, what you doing?
Hey. Hi.
Hey. Jackson, no, we go down the slide, not up the slide, okay? Don't do that, okay? You'll get hurt if you do that. I want to get these two an ice cream. I thought about it, but then I realized that wouldn't be fair to Gabe. I'd say Jaden, but that doesn't normally count since Jaden can't really eat ice cream yet, but anyway. Wish I could maybe get him some candy. Alright, so going back. Walking the sidewalk, you guys walking down the path. Yeah, we're going back down to get some money for a hot dog. But anyway, there's some kid out there screaming. Anyway, so once we do that, I don't know if we're gonna go back to the playground or just stay where my mom and my Mima are. Yep. Alright, so it's many days after I chose to film this game since I never really ended the vlog, but I don't know where Gabe is. Where'd he go? Yeah, I'll find him during the game. But yeah, it's many weeks after that game. Now it's just me, my brother Nasir, and then Tremaine and my sister-in-law Riley are coming. So, yep. Okay, so this storm looks pretty nasty. Oh, there's my dad. No way he went. But anyway, so it's crazy.
Hey, all the hey, get your belongings. Let's watch the picture.
I can already feel the wind. I heard some thunder earlier.
Press 1. To listen to the current conditions from around the area, press 2. To listen to the climate summaries, press 3. To listen to the tropical weather outlook, press 4. To repeat the menu options, press 9. To talk to a forecaster between the hours of 8 a.m. and 5 p.m. Monday through Friday, please hang up and dial 919-326-1042. To hear the forecast for Raleigh
What's up,
and the
y'all?
surrounding area,
Just hoping to call and report it. As you can see, we have hail, which means there's probably a tornado somewhere. But there is no tornado warning whatsoever. Sorry, I know the intro's a bit differently, but I kind of had to scramble to record this. There's a lot of lightning, a lot of hail. I really am hoping there's no tornado around here, but look at this wind, y'all. This is insane. This is crazy. This is insane. I just heard some kind of humming noise. It sounded like. Oh, my driveway's flooding. Oh my gosh. Dang it, I was gonna call DoorDash today. Like a whole fast food weekend. A concession. Back up in case the lightning gets me. Woo! It's not really any more hail now. Maybe it was just maybe I was just seeing things. Whoa! There should be a flash flood warning or a severe thunderstorm warning or something.